Turbochargers are engineering marvels that provide a significant power boost to your car, increasing horsepower by up to 30 to 40%. Oil leaks can lead to poor performance, engine damage, or even total failure of the turbo. The good news? If caught early, these issues are preventable and often much more affordable to fix. That's why today, we're breaking down 9 symptoms of a turbo leaking oil. Stick around till the end, because I'll also explain the most common cause of turbo oil leaks and how you can avoid it. Let's dive in. The first sign of a turbo oil leak is blue or black exhaust smoke, often during acceleration. Turbo oil leaks often start with failed seals that allow oil to seep into the exhaust and burn, creating blue or black smoke. Thicker smoke points to severe leaks, risking catalytic converter damage and turbo inefficiency. But what if there's no smoke and you suspect a turbo oil leak? It might be worth checking for crankcase pressure issues or a restricted return line, as these can also cause oil to enter the exhaust system without immediate visible smoke. We'll dive deeper into these causes in just a moment. The next symptom is check engine light or warning codes. Modern cars often detect turbo issues before you do. A check engine light could mean your turbo is leaking oil. Look for codes like P0234, overboost condition, or P0299, underboost condition. To find out exactly what's going on, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. It's a handy tool that reads your car's diagnostic codes, giving you a clearer picture of the issue. If you don't already have one, I've included a link to a reliable scanner in the description below. The third symptom is oil puddles under the vehicle. After parking, look for dark, greasy spots under your car. Thick, brown, or black oil near the turbo might mean a failed gasket, a cracked housing, or an issue with the oil return line. Blockages or kinks in the return line can cause oil to build up and leak. Check both ends for buildup, restrictions, or excess RTV sealant that could block the flow. Small leaks can get worse, damaging your turbo or causing a fire risk. The fourth symptom of turbo leaking oil is oil deposits around the turbo. Sometimes, the leaks are hiding in plain sight. Inspect the turbo area for oil stains, gunk, or residue. It's a clear sign something's leaking. Worn turbo seals, loose fittings, or cracks in the housing can allow oil to escape. The fifth symptom is low engine oil levels. Leaks in the turbocharger allow oil to escape, reducing overall engine oil levels. To stay on top of this, use your dipstick to check your oil levels regularly. If you find yourself constantly topping off the oil, that's a strong indication of turbo leaking oil. And here's a little bonus. If you're serious about keeping your turbo and engine in top shape, there are some car maintenance tips that mechanics don't always want you to know. We've covered them in the video linked above. Now let's move to performance and mechanical symptoms to watch out for. The sixth symptom is reduced engine power, or performance. A turbocharger is designed to enhance your car's power, but it depends on proper oil flow to function. When there's a leak, that vital lubrication is disrupted and your turbo's performance starts to suffer. One of the first things you might notice is sluggish acceleration. Turbo lag, or the delay in power delivery, is often more pronounced when there's an oil leak. Before moving to the seventh sign, if you're watching this channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button. I'll give you a second. All done? All right, let's continue. The seventh symptom is high-pitched whistling or grinding noises. Listen for high-pitched whistling, whining, or even grinding noises when the turbo spools up. Oil leaks cause insufficient lubrication. Without it, turbo bearings wear out, leading to these unsettling sounds. The eighth symptom of turbocharger oil leaks is unusually high engine temperatures. Is your temperature gauge creeping into the red? Do you smell burning oil? These are signs your turbo might be overheating. Without enough oil, the turbo can't cool itself properly. This puts extra strain on the engine and cooling system. Overheating can cause serious damage, from warped components to complete engine failure. Why a new turbo might still leak. What if you've just installed a brand new turbo and it's still leaking oil? Before you assume the turbo is defective, here's a surprising twist. It might not be the turbo at all. What might be the problem? A blocked breather is always the real culprit. Every engine has one, though the name might vary. The breather, or crankcase ventilation system, lets extra gases escape from the engine. When it's blocked, whether due to a clogged filter or a pipe, these gases can't escape. Instead, pressure builds up inside the engine, forcing oil to leak from the turbo and other areas. Why does this happen? It's like trying to exhale with your nose pinched shut. The air has to escape somewhere. Similarly, during the combustion cycle, some gases pass through the piston rings into the engine block. Even with perfect rings, a certain amount of pressure is unavoidable. If the breather is blocked, this pressure forces oil out of the turbo seals, leading to leaks. I've seen many cases where people replace perfectly good turbos because they thought they were faulty, only to face the same problem with the new one. But that's not all. Here are other common causes of turbo oil leakage. One common issue involves the compressor and turbine seals, which can leak due to high oil pressure or poorly designed oil drains. If the oil drain doesn't slope correctly or gets blocked by crank oil, leaks are almost inevitable. Another cause is the compressor seal. Small or clogged air filters and narrow or bent tubing increase inlet pressure, forcing oil to escape. Similarly, the turbine seal can fail when excessive exhaust gas temperatures, EGTs, or tilting the turbo past its axis collapse the piston rings, leading to leaks. Over 90% of turbo failures are due to oil-related issues, such as contamination, starvation, or blocked pipes. Should you repair or replace a leaking turbo? If your turbo is leaking oil, don't panic. You might not need a brand new one. Rebuilding a turbo is often a much cheaper option, while a new turbo can cost around $1,200 or more. Rebuilding usually costs about $450. That's a huge saving. The key is catching the issue early. How to prevent turbocharger oil leaks. Start by ensuring air and oil drain systems are clear from blockages, as restrictions can increase pressure and force oil through seals. Check the exhaust system for leaks and ensure the DPF and catalytic converter are unblocked to prevent back pressure issues. Avoid using silicone on oil gaskets. It can detach and block oil passages. Always use the correct gaskets, O-rings, and turbine or compressor housings for a proper seal. Lastly, regularly monitor oil levels and pressure to maintain optimal lubrication. So, there you have it. 9 clear symptoms of a turbo leaking oil, from smoke to warning codes. Turbo oil leaks can be costly, but did you know improper oil changes could cause even more damage to your engine? In our next video, we'll uncover the most common oil change mistakes and show you how to avoid them. Click the link below to watch.